So we're going to make copper sulfate pentahydrate the using cuprous oxide, that is Cu2, Cu2O. Over, yeah, start from over there.
Copper oxide.
Okay, you Prabhahar, look in one of those troughs, you see sulfuric acid. H2SO.
Copper oxide.
Thank you. You passed the sulfuric acid right in front of skills. Alright, so we're going to react based on the concept map. If you want to make a soluble salt, which copper sulfate is a soluble salt, I'm just telling you that. You use direct combination. So we're going to react this oxide, which is, what color is that?
Red.
Red in color with, okay, yeah, with sulfuric acid. And that combination, what type of reaction is this? Neutralization.
Oh.
Because this is gonna happen this one.
Wait, sir, so are we going to get the blue thing from yesterday?
And so we pour on some of this. Nothing special is gonna happen. Need a stir around. That's a lot. Look in that white thing there, you see a glass rod.
Good ass.
A glass rod? Yes. Flute this for me. Flute it. She's gonna flute it. So you stir. I'm making my salt, you know. I've added my sulfuric acid to the copper oxide and I'm stirring. What do you see?
A hand. Oh, there you go.
Brownness. That's not fluting. Okay. I was just checking to see if you guys did it. So you fold it in halves. This is the regular way, and then you fold all the halves into halves. So you increase the surface area. Didn't you do this in third form?
Possibly.
Well,
When you did filtration, did you flute the filtration?
well, we didn't. Yeah, we did. We got it fluty.
Alright, so some did, some didn't. So you see, you have increased the surface area by just doing that. Then now we will, having done all of that stuff, we filter. This is not anything exciting. Nothing exciting here. We're filtering the thing now. You're supposed to actually pour it onto this.
Why? Is that blueness?
Yeah?
Is that blueness? What? What? Because we're going to get that special, that blue substance that we got last time. It has turned blue.
What?
So you notice here your filtrate, which is the substance coming through the filter paper, is blue. Yes?
Yes.
Yes. That's because the copper that is formed here is copper 2+, and the copper from this substance, the cuprous oxide, is copper 1+, and they have different colors. So it's not like magic. It's not obium working.
It's like obium.
Okay, so inside this thing now we should have copper sulfate and water. Okay, we're just going to leave that to filter for a while. Then now we're going to turn our attention. Look, Javier, over there you see a bottle marked potassium iodide.
Javier.
Fernandez. Ki, you don't see Ki anywhere, potassium iodide right there. Bye,
Khalil Kot.
Alright. So we want to make lead iodide. Right? Formula of lead iodide. Lead iodide. Lead iodide. We want to make lead iodide. And I'm telling you now that lead iodide is an insoluble salt. How do we make insoluble salts?
Ionic precipitation.
Ionic precipitation.
You go your
What is
way.
ionic precipitation again?
When you mix two.
Yes, you form one soluble and one insoluble salt. And you mix what? You're saying
Two soluble salts.
two soluble salts. So we are going to mix lead nitrate, which is this substance. Let me pour it out for you to see that it's a liquid. Lead nitrate plus potassium iodide. Yes, Ki. Hopefully this is not yellow. It's slightly yellow. That's not nice. Then no. Okay. So I have my two soluble salts. Are these liquids? Yes. So now I'm going to pour this onto that. So I pour it. So what I'm basically doing is mixing my salts.
What? Just.
Then I get that substance over there. You want to flip this right? Then we get the glass.
No, still.
Rinse this a little for me, please. So this bright looking yellow substance is lead iodide. Okay? Now what I'm going to do, this is a solid because we said it's an insoluble salt, so therefore it's a solid, and I'm just filtering it. So what did I do first? I mixed my solutions. Now I'm filtering. Remember I said this is the hardest things for you guys to do. I don't know why. Remember that lead is poisonous. Just saying. Many children have died. Children.
Not when it was in pencil.
You might not think you're a children, but you're a child.
I'm a children. I'm a children.
Seno or filtrate is colorless. Let me just refresh your memories. When you're filtering, the substance coming through the filter paper is the filtrate, and the thing left in the filter paper is called the residue, just in case you did not remember. It is colorless, which means that we're doing well. Okay? Then now, having done all of that with our thing, let us put this on the fire and use a beaker. Yes, there you go. We're gonna just cook this for a little bit. Okay, and that's our residue. We're not concerned about our residue. What we want is this nice blue substance. So we're just going to light a fire.
Hey, get that, guys. Fire is dangerous. Exactly.
And we're going to boil this thing. Now, because it contains water of crystallization, did we define that?
Yes, we did, sir.
Because it contains water of crystallization, we cannot boil it down to dryness. And that's too much. Let's make it a little like this. Now I've finished making, back over to the insoluble salt now. I've finished making my salt because clearly I have the salt. I take this thing out and I put it on a wash glass.
A wash glass. Whoa.
And that is my lead iodide. You guys see that?
Yes, sir.
And I leave it to dry. And I'm done. Remember what I said. That which I just did with that is the hardest things for students to do. All I did, combine my two salts, got my solid, filtered, leave it to dry. 3 steps. Make sure you remember that. And if you don't remember it, you're going to lose the 9 marks.
Wait, sir. Sir.
Wait, what?
Sir, what's the filtrate?
The filtrate would be the other salt, which would be potassium nitrate. We're not concerned about the filtrate. But if you want to see the potassium nitrate, you want to see the potassium nitrate? Okay, fine. Since we have a little time.
It's boiling.
It's boiling.
Yeah.
It's good enough.
Still.
This blueness.
Heisenberg's blue sky.
It'll get this nice.
Can I just video
No,
instead? I'm gonna video Johan.
Stop in this.
Next.
Oi.
No.
Bill. I will kill your phone.
No, still.
No, still.
Okay. Ideally,
Yes.
the substance that we're trying to make, we want it to look
Like that. You know.
like this here over here.
Wait, sorry, so when you had it in the chest tube yesterday, what were you doing?
Wow.
That's some lit stuff.
So cool.
You put it in there and then
Wow.
Whoa.
I need a
Copper
magnesium
sulfate.
No.
chloride for you guys. Is it you?
Yes.
Oh, no.
It's so pretty. Y'all can't see this on
I
camera,
threw
but
that away.
that's a lit
So
substance. Right there.
this is what we want the thing to look like. Do you see this? This
Wow.
looks nice. It almost looks edible.
Almost.
Alright? For us to get it to look like this, we need to not let this boil down to dryness. If we do that, it's not going to look like that. If we let it dry down to boilness, we're going to let it look like this actually. Let's just cook this a little bit. This is
Cook,
nice.
cook, cook.
The top of the beaker, you see this part, is not hot. You can touch it. Feel the side now, gently. So, you recognize that the side is hotter than that part. So if you're holding it, you hold it by up here. Okay?
Whoa, now
Don't take any chances.
Ten and five.
Okay,
you
so
know.
we have made that. We're done with that now. We want to make our copper sulfate now. Let us get it cooking. I'm going to boil this down, concentrate it, and leave it for Monday. So when you come on Monday, you'll see it.
We don't have it last Tuesday.
Okay.
Tuesday.
That doesn't mean you can't come on Monday because we don't
I'll
have
come on Monday.
I'll be here. I'm always here.
So we're just waiting now. This is pretty boring stuff.
Let's get on.
Nothing exciting happening.
Here we see the wild bear in her natural habitat.
Okay, we're almost there now.
Sir. Full dryness, sir. Full dryness, sir.
It's dry.
Alright, so now, when it's dry, without the water, this is what it looks like.
Oh.
You see, I compared that to this thing there. Without the water. You don't want it to look like that. Like this in here. If you put water in there, it will get back the water
Like
that it
detergent,
needs
sir.
and you can leave it on the table. But the point I'm making is, since it contains water of crystallization, you cannot boil it to dry.
Wow. Inception. It looked like detergent.
Of course, we can still use it. Now we're going to see if we can get the
Potassium
potassium
nitrate.
nitrate. Okay. It's just boiling. That's all.
Wow.
Just boiling.
Whoa. Any of you guys know what a chimney is?
Yes, sir. Wait.
Luke.
No, Mr. Campbell. Do you want me to
Whenever I asked her to the bathroom, Mr. Campbell said, use my shimmy.
Do you know what a chimney is?
It's something you feel when you don't learn to get it from yourself.
Like nighttime, we have to get to the bathroom.
So can I leave you a couple steps?
Yeah, sleep, you're not too
Sir, is this a shimmy?
It looks like one.
Oh.
Yeah, sort of. It is the clear system.
Rinse.
Oh, I don't know.
The clear system.
Oh wow, smoke.
You soon get there. But with all acids, if acid is spilt on your skin, you can wash it off under the tap. Just wash it off. Except for sulfuric acid. For sulfuric acid, you're going to have to dry the area first. So you're going to have to just suffer in the pain and dry it.
Right, Chelsea?
If that you just add water directly, you are making it more acidic and so therefore it would burn you more instead of helping you.
See some idiot go panic and they go washed up.
Might be bad.
Right, Chelsea.
Good thing I'm fat, boys.
What?
It's a good thing I have fireballs.
Oh, God.
I can just heat it all the time.
Yeah, heat up all the acid off. Good job. Burning faster. No, still.
He's just different.
So sick. It's me, Mario. Like, I just watch a chemical go off. Then a radioactive spider bite me down.
Javier.
No man, I don't turn Spider-Man down. No, you wouldn't.
You that turn fire spider? No man, maybe the fire powers would have come back.
So, Jay, how's the drug?
I'd be laughing them for like a week or so. But, you know, I get my hands on them again.
I see. Emil, how's the drug?
I need more. No, like I need
Okay. Back to the science.
It ain't salt, we're making cocaine. That's the point.
Cocaine.
We're making it's meth. It's meth.
Man, are you really videoing the video that he is videoing?
Yes.
Stop.
Yes. Check high quality.
No, I'm videoing
Yes.
him videoing the thing.
Wikipedia is not trustworthy.
What information have you gotten from Wikipedia, sir?
Obviously, that's what you said.
Okay, we're done now.
Hi Chelsea. Mean. I'm gonna show my mommy.
So there it is, that's it.
Sir.
Potassium nitrate.
Quote unquote. Oi, Bell. Oi. Me. So I make Chelsea smell it.
Next.
Okay. Okay. Just a big old phone in my way, okay.
So like to decide what salts to do the investigation with, he just choose